How to buy tokens through Uniswap. So in order for us to get this done, the first thing that we are going to do is head over to app.uniswap.org, and then we're just going to connect our wallet. You can click this one right here or this one, both is okay. And then you're going to go ahead and connect to your wallet. So for example, in my case, I'm going to use MetaMask. I'm just going to go ahead and basically confirm this one just like so. And then you have the buy option right here. You can just go ahead and enter, say for example, $30 in here, or the amount that you're buying. So for that amount, I'm going to receive 0.009 of Ethereum. Now you can click this one in order for you to select different tokens, but again, we're just going to head over and use Ethereum for now. I'm going to go ahead and click continue, and then you have two options here. So for this one, you can use debit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. For Transact, you have different option, or more option rather. You have debit card, Visa, Gcash, which is available in the Philippines, and many others. So I'm going to try Transact for now. I'm going to click this one right here. And once I'm here, I can just go ahead and confirm the amounts. Again, it's 30 US dollar. Then you can click this one in order for you to change to different currency. And then you have here different payment methods. So I want you to go ahead and select the right payment method for you. Again, I'm going to try card payment for this one. And then I'm going to scroll down and click the buy now button. So this is the wallet address. I want you to go ahead and confirm this one. Next, I'm going to click buy Ethereum, and then you can go ahead and enter your email here. Say that for example, and then in your email I want you to go ahead and check your verification code. Okay, I'm just going to copy this one right here and then click continue. Alright, and then we are now on the personal details. So there are 3 steps in order for us to get this done. First one, of course, being is the personal details. And then you also have at the last part of this one wherein you will be asked to enter your card details. Because again, we are using card. Yeah, you can use debit or credit card, both is okay. But yeah, that is basically how you are going to buy tokens through Uniswap.